Lucy, what have you done? What have you done?
Oh my God. Go, Lucy.
Lucy, Lucy, do.
Oh, she knows what you're doing.
Oh no.
Lucy.
Dean is just looking.
Oh, they're just looking all over.
Lucy.
Oh my gosh.
What have you done?
Lucy.
Lucy. Lucy. She looks like a hobo.
She's waiting for the dogs to lick her hand.
She's got like a little beard, like a little tiny hobo, a little chocolate beard.
Look at Dean trying to lick her.
Lucy, that is something else. Dean, get on it. Get on it, Dean.
Licking her all over.